Like you've seen, we are focusing on the entire breadth of the market, basically covering right from our entry-level products, the small car buyers, to our premium range for the SUV lovers and premium car lovers in India.
True.
As far as technology is concerned, our focus is on a few key factors. One is the image quality. At the end of the day, it is a camera. The video quality, the image quality is very important. There are certain factors like image stabilization, the ability to handle a wide range of lighting conditions in the same frame, and the ability to cover the entire highway, all 6 lanes, for example, with the wide field of view. All these capabilities are there across all our cameras. And the more premium the camera, there are more capabilities, including ADAS. We have advanced driver assistance systems, capabilities in our mid-range cameras. In the premium range, we have even more powerful AI capabilities, especially night vision. It's a safety product. Right?
Correct.
Safety is most important for incidents during night time.
Very true.
And it is able to capture the footage and clean it up with AI, so you get exceptional clarity and day-like clarity even in a night time. Actually, the main camera body that you see is installed at the front, and the camera is facing the road.
Yeah.
Right? So it is recording what is happening on the road. And for our top 2 camera products, we also have the 520 and the 820 DC. We have a rear camera as well. So we have both front and rear, and both cameras are capturing at the same time, and the footage is being stored in the camera SD card, and you can access it. Very, very price competitive. Of course, our focus is to deliver a quality product to the market designed with Japanese standards. Our parent company is Japanese, almost 85-year-old heritage. So quality for us comes first. But we also understand the needs of the India market. We understand, we have done extensive research to determine at what price point, what features the user will be willing to buy. Right? And the feature packaging that you see in these cameras are basically done using that kind of user segmentation. So we believe our cameras are very, very cost competitive for each segment, but at the same time focusing on quality, new features, superior image and video quality. An excellent question. So I'll give you a couple of examples. The first is temperature and humidity. Most of our cameras can operate up to 65 degrees Celsius. Even if you are in the heat of north of India, in Rajasthan, or places which can heat up to almost 50 to 55 degrees, the cameras can actually work even at 65 degrees. Right? It has been tested for that particular condition. So from an environment point of view, we have taken care. The second is from a road condition point of view. The sensor has the ability to detect impacts. But the Indian roads, if you simply use a camera which is sold in Japan, for instance, even on a small speed breaker or a pothole, it will sense as if there is an accident. So we have actually tuned the sensing part of it also to suit Indian conditions. Make sure small bumps, potholes do not trigger unnecessary event. Only when there is an actual impact. So the threshold is set a little bit on the higher side, with ability given to the user to also configure it. You want to set the sensitivity of sensors to low, medium, or high. You can do that. But again, even if you don't do anything, the camera will take care of it as per the Indian environment. So there are many of such features, and last but not the least, the app has been designed exclusively for India. We have done user research in India, talked to many people, looked at all other similar apps available in the market, and after that our user experience and design team came up with a design specifically for the Indian users. So we believe once Indian users start to use it, they will really be very, very easy for them to experience the dash cam and use the app. It has both audio and video recording, but on the app you can actually also disable audio recording if you don't want to capture it, but by default it is enabled, so you can actually capture any sounds along with the accident, because in case you need an evidence, audio is also an important part of the evidence collection. That's a good question. As a brand, we are traditionally strong in the southern part of India as Pioneer as a brand. But as far as the dashcam market is concerned, from our dealership network, we are actually getting very encouraging response from all over India. Of course, the urban and semi-urban centers are more aware of such technologies and the usage of that. So it will probably take some time to really percolate into tier 2, tier 3 cities and so on. But we are confident our dealership network will help us expand our products. The 85-year experience that Pioneer has helps us really deliver the product with the kind of quality that no other Indian competitor making similar products can do. Absolutely, we are very, very confident. We have extensive quality standards. Wherever the product is designed, manufactured, it has to go through a long checklist of making sure each and every quality criteria is met. Only then the product is rolled out and shipped to the market. So quality is our biggest focus, and I don't think we have a competition in that segment, in the quality aspect. As far as pricing is concerned, again, we don't worry about it too much as long as the quality is right. I'm sure people are willing to pay the price, but it does not mean that we are not cost conscious. All our products are competitively priced in each price. So our idea or goal is not to be the price winner, like offer the lowest price, but does not also mean that we don't understand the needs of the Indian market. It's all very, very clear.
Thank you. Thanks for your
Thank you so much.
For more information visit www.mobilityindia.com.